I grew up with low self-esteem. It was me and my mama, just us in the trauma. Hands up if you know what I mean. I see you.
So sa intro sequence na to, or sa shot na to, ginawa lang namin yung POV ng box, pagbukas ng box. Ang una namin ginawa is yung camera, of course, nilagay mo namin sa loob ng box. And then, para magkaroon ng illusion na merong foreground, ilagay lang namin yung mga kailangan naming tanggalin sa box. PSU, and then motherboard. And then since nga naka-ultra wide naman yung shot na to, so magmumukha talaga siyang merong foreground, background, and then yung subject. So pag ginawa natin, bukas and then match cut na lang yon sa talking head shot na ginawa natin before. Isa ba? Charan!
I want you to know that you're not alone. I know what it's like not to have a home. Like walking barefoot.
Okay, so for this shot, I placed my subject, or in this case, yung PC case, sa gitna ng light source ko, which is yung iFootage SO1 200DNA. And nandito yung camera sa kabilang side. So, I had this idea na nagawa ko na to sa ibang kong videos, yung sa mouse. And then, sabi ko, medyo mahihirapan ako yung gawan to ng video kasi medyo malaki yung subject ko. So, and since wala na dito si Shandyman, so tiniming ko na lang yung mga shots, yung pag-fog, yung pagbukas ng ilaw, and of course yung pag-click ng shutter. So, it was originally placed dun sa dulo, and then magkabilang dulo. Pero since kulang yung space and since nga malaki yung subject, kailangan ko ng wider, or kailangan mas malaki yung shadows ng ilaw. So, talagang sinagad ko yung dulo netong light source na to. So, pinakadulo talaga siya. And then, eto nga, nilagay ko dito. And then, pagka wala yung ilaw, eto. And then, pag chinek natin siya sa footage or sa video, hindi siya, eto, originally wala yan. Kasi, syempre, para lang makita nyo lang. So, hindi kita yung buong PC sa loob, hindi kita yung component. So, kailangan kong gawa ng solusyon since kulang yung RGB ng PC na to. So, nilagyan ko lang ng side RGB. Pero hindi ko masyadong tinutok sa loob ng PC case kasi sasabog. So, ang cons lang, lumabas na yung ilaw sa labas ng PC case. So, yeah, that's how I made, or we made this shot. Yan. Ganyan siya pag horizontal. And, wait lang, check ko nga pag walang ilaw. Check. Yan, parang ganyan siya.
Ito na yung final result ng video na ginawa namin. Sana ma-enjoy nyo. Sana meron kayo natutunan and gayahin nyo rin, lagyan nyo rin ng sarili nyong twist.
Here's what I would recommend sa mga beginner PC builders like me. Today we're going to unbox and build a 130k PC build from ASUS. TUF Gaming B760 BTF Wi-Fi ang gamit nating motherboard. And by the way, meron tong motherboard na to na wala ibang motherboard. Pero before that, what is BTF? BTF stands for Back to the Future kasi nasa likod na lahat ng connectors. So it means it's less hassle and cleaner cable management. Ito pa, very exclusive and unique dahil meron siyang two-way AI noise cancellation, meaning yung keyboard, mouse clicks, and ambient noise are muffled for high-quality voice audio, mapagaming man yan or calls. O eto, hindi pa natatapos yan kasi meron pang M.2 Q latch para hindi na nahuhulog yung screw and madali nang tanggalin at ikabit ang NVMe SSD. Clear CMOS para mas mabilis nang i-reset yung BIOS settings to factory default if mali yung BIOS settings mo. And QLED for easier troubleshooting if hindi nagbubot yung PC. Of course, Intel Core i5-13400F yung processor na gamit natin. 10 cores na rin to with 16 threads and max turbo frequency of 4.6 GHz. And for our RAM, dalawang 16GB G-Skill Trident Z5 Neo DDR5 6000 MHz. 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD naman ang gamit natin from T-Crate. And of course, yung gamit nating case is yung Asus A21. Ang pinakagusto ko dito and maganda dito, sobrang luwag niya and it supports this TUF Gaming LC2 360 ARGB. O diba ang haba? Pero compatible pa rin yan sa case na to and kaya din nito yung malalaking GPU up to 380mm. Malawak na din pala yung likod niya so hindi na kailangan labas bituka yung mga cables nyo. And of course, this is powered by the TUF Gaming 750 watts gold. It's an 80 plus gold rated and of course fully modular, which is why I really love this. Compatible na rin siya sa ATX 3.0 and PCIe Gen 5.0 graphics card. And speaking of graphics card, This is the TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super. And of course, equipped yan with Actual Tech fans. And all I can say, it's super thick. And syempre, dual ball bearing na rin yan, meaning it can push 21% more air through the card. High quality metal exoskeleton to prevent PCB flex, and future large vents to further increase the heat dissipation. By the way, you can get the premium item or a giveaway if you post a review or feature your PC on your social media. Simply go to ph.asus.click/rwg for more details. And if you purchase this powered by Asus PC build, you can get 4 years warranty for your motherboard and graphics card. All you need to do is register your purchase on this link, ph.asus.click/warranty extension. Well, I guess that's it, and if you guys want more builds like this, you can follow for more.
Pa kaming na-shoot na BTS sa video na yon. Pero sa tingin namin ito lang yung pinaka-interesting, kaya ito lang yung ginawa namin. Sinama namin sa final cut. Yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Ako si Jai. And plug ko lang yung bago naming mousepad design na mousepad. Kami nag-design nito! Ayan o, Saddle Motion. Rebranding? Ayan o, rig speech pa din, syempre. Ito pa yung isa. Ito nga pala yung Hustle and Grind. Baga, gusto ko lang i-share na hindi lang to basta creative na channel. Kumbaga, icon din. Gusto namin maging icon na push kayo sa inyong mga dreams. Ito pa, change your perspective. And mali yung spelling. Alam namin. Di ko na mahanap yung final na files. Kaya matagal ko na itong dinesign, mga 20. Pero ngayon ko lang na-release sa mousepad. Pero na-t-shirt to eh. So, ito naman, change your perspective. Kumbaga, wag mo lang tignan yung life or yung journey mo or yung career mo sa isang perspective. Tignan mo rin yung ibang perspective. Yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Bye-bye. So yun guys.
Now audible, feel like I live in the end zone. I'm the one leading the drives, the crew riding round in a Benzo.